Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make YouTube channel art on canva.com. It's real fast and easy, and the first step we need to do here is to be of course on canva.com, and on the top right corner there is create a design button. So click on it and then just write YouTube channel art, and probably it will be the first option, and make sure to select the one with 2560 and 1440 pixels here. It will be the perfect dimensions. All right, and you can basically then create your channel art, basically as you can see here, from blank. But if you go on templates and if you write channel art here, it will be a lot of channel arts that you can select. So as you can see here, some of them will be paid, and some because there is a pro sign here next to a channel art, but some of them will be free, right? So for example, if I select this one, as you can see here, this channel art is free. You can change the image here basically by selecting the image and deleting. And for example, I want to have car in it, right? And by putting here and position backwards, as you can see here, colors is blending in, but it really doesn't matter. It's just an example. And of course you can change text here, and put the subheading here, right? And that's how you can basically make channel art on Canva. And after you're done, just press download, select PNG and press download. All right, and that's how you can create channel art on YouTube channel art on Canva. All right, so if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.